Take a look at this. We can select any combination of names, and the highlighting box will automatically combine adjacent ones so that they share the same rounded corner box around them. Now, how can that be done automatically in Figma? Let me show you. These are the only ingredients you need. I've got a list of names here. I happen to know that they're 40 pixels apart. So I'm going to take this shape here, Command D, duplicate it, and I'm going to offset the Y by 40 pixels. And Command D all the way down. Take these shapes, combine them with union selection. Increase the corner radius of that union until you end up with a rounded corner box. Let's put this blend in front of the box, highlight everything, and use as mask. Let's take this, put it to the back, put it behind our names. And now to turn row highlighting off and on, we just go to the underlying rectangles here, and as you turn them off and on, look at that beautiful automatic behavior. Isn't that cool? All right, have fun with that, and I'll see you soon.